part with navigation in HTML5. My name is Dion. Let's get started. So, navigation. I can refer to another URL. I can refer to a file in the same folder. That's easy. I can also refer to a file in another folder. And I can set the base. I can set or change the base where I am. So, referring to an URL. For instance, I can go to the website ad.de. So, just go to this website and you will be going to that website. That website can also contain folders, and it can refer to another file in folder / folder 2. So let's say here's a image that's called image_telephone.jpg, and it can ask for that picture in those folders. Now referring to a file in the same folder. Let's say I'm in here. This folder, and I want to refer to another file that's in the same folder. So let's say I'm in Forms 2 and I want to refer to images. That is what I'm talking about. That's easy peasy. Just refer to that file, file2.html, or do it with an image, with an audio, with a video, doesn't matter. It's that easy. Now referring to a file in another folder. Let's say I have a folder called public_html. In that folder are 3 files: index, logo, and index.php. Below that one are 3 other folders, or directories, how you may call them. Products, images, and testing. Those also contain files. Let's say, for instance, I want to go from index.html to butter.html. I have to go down 1 folder. So referring to a file in another folder, from index to cheese.html, what's important to check if butter is in the folder called products. So go down the directory products and type it in, products, / and this is the file you want to go to. This is easy, going down 1 folder. I can go as many folders, as many directories as I want. For instance, I want to go to the file called peep.ogg that's inside the sounds folder, and inside the sounds folder is a bird folder. I can go directories down, but I can also go up as well. For instance, I'm in butter.html and I want to go to index.html, so I have to go 1 up. Going up is easier because I don't have to remember the names of the folders. What I do is going for butter to index, and I just go up 1 directory with // I don't have to check what's the name of the folder that's laying above you. Just go up 1 folder and that's it. So for instance, / index.html. This refers to the folder that's up. So index.html is in the folder above the folder I'm right now. I can go up as many directories as I want. For instance, if I want to go 3 directories up, there's a file called pictures.png. Just refer to 3 times the dots and the /. So I can go a directory up, but even go up and down as well at the same time. And this is advantage example we're going to from butter.html to test1.html. So first go up, doesn't matter what's the name, and then go down the directory testing for butter.html to test1.html. Let's see how that works. So from butter.html to test1.html, go first 1 directory up, then go down the directory called testing. So, well, it's not referring to an image, but it's going up 1 directory, going down the directory testing, and there's the file tested1.html. This is, of course, wrong. This has to be an href, referring to a HTML file. what I did now was always working from a directory where I'm now. That's relative. So I'm going up, I'm going down, the relative, the file where I'm now. So it's always relative where I am. Am I 3 directories down, 3 directories up? Okay. I can set my home directory, my home base, with this command, base href. Then I can say http site.fr, doesn't matter, and this is now my base folder. So it doesn't matter where I am now, just this is my base folder, and from here I can go directories up and directories down as much as I want. Don't forget that this has to be in the head section of your HTML file. So now the demo, there's a little bit demo here as well. Go to template, and now we're gonna say here, the name is navigation file, save as navigation.html. I'm gonna save it. So now I'm gonna refer here inside the head to a base href equals, don't forget to type in the www. So this is now my base reference, and I can say in here anchor href equals, let's say, index.php. I know this file is existence in this one, and then I can say go to index.php, close anchor as well. File, save. So let's rephrase it. On a navigation, here is no index.php, but I'm not referring to the same folder. Right now I'm referring to the education network, and there's a folder called index.php. So open this one, navigation, double click, there's index.php, and it opens education of index.php. So this is how it works. So what did we see in this video? We see referring to an URL, easy. Referring to a file in the same folder, and now also easy. Going to another folder, we can go folders up, go folders down, and we changed our base folder. This was Dion Brescias for Education.org. I want to thank you for staying smart.